Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make instant Rava Kozhukattai. Very easy and a delicious snack recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add 3 teaspoons of ghee. When the ghee melts, add 1 cup of rava or semolina. Roast it for a minute in medium flame. Now after 1 minute the rava is ready. Now to this add 2 cups of milk and mix well until the milk is completely absorbed. Now the milk is half absorbed. Continue to mix for 2 more minutes in low flame. Now the milk is completely absorbed, so go ahead and add 3/4 cup of sugar and mix it well. The sugar will melt and become a little watery. Continue to mix and you will get the proper consistency. Now we have it right, so go ahead and add a teaspoon of ghee and mix it well. Then off the flame and transfer it to a mixing bowl. Allow it to cool for 5 minutes. Then knead it with your hands and pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Then spread it to a thin sheet like this. Place 2 raisins in the center. You can go with your favorite filling, be it milk sweet or coconut filling. Then again roll it into an oval shape. Then make kozhukattais out of it. Now a delicious instant Rava Kozhukattai is ready. You can enjoy it right away with your family and friends. Very delicious, easy and an instant snack recipe. So do try this instant Rava Kozhukattai recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.